morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
There you know everyone. We are studying about the getting to plant.
Yes, ma'am.
In the last class, we are studying about the leaf.
Yes, ma'am.
And there we are identifying, recognize the leaf venation.
Yes, ma'am.
And type of venation.
Yes, ma'am.
Reticulate venation.
Yes, ma'am.
Parallel venation we are studying.
Yes, ma'am.
But today I will teach you about the flower. What I will teach you?
Flower.
I have taught in class everything.
Yes, ma'am.
And today we will do the practical. What we will do?
Practical.
What we will do?
Practical.
What we will do?
Practical.
We are studying in class this one about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, na?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the structure of flower. This is the structure of?
Flower.
And right now I will show the practical. I will show the?
Practical.
This is the also the part of male and female part of flower?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Male and female part of flower I have taught in class.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I will show the practical. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us start. Today we will do the practical with the flower. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to all?
Yes, ma'am.
You know now the very colorful part of flower is known as the petal. Known as the?
Petal.
This is the petal. This is the?
Petal.
This is the?
Petal.
What is this?
Petal.
You know now the number of petal in the different plants are different?
Yes, ma'am.
Some plant have the 4 and 5. Some has the more than 4 and 5. So this part is called the petal. This part is called?
Petal.
Okay, what is the function of petal? Yes, it attract the insect and it give the protection to the reproductive part of flower. What is the main function of petal? It give the protection of reproductive part of flower and it attract the
Insect.
It attract the
Insect.
This color is red. This color is
Red.
I have told in class also the colorful part of is called the colorful part of flower is called petal. And look at here. In this flower, we are seeing the color of petal is white. Color of petal is
White.
Everyone look at it.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right now I will teach the sepal. What I will teach you?
Sepal.
What I will teach you?
Sepal.
What I will teach you?
Sepal.
This part is called sepal. This part is called?
Sepal.
यानी कि green leafy like structure which protect the flower in budding phase. Which phase?
Budding phase.
यानी कि हिंदी में बताऊं तो इस सेपल जो है जब फ्लावर कली की अवस्था में होता है तो उसको प्रोटेक्शन देता है. क्या करता है?
Protection.
दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द सेपल. दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड
Sepal.
ईच एंड एवरी फ्लावर हैज सेपल बिकॉज आपने देखा होगा कि गुलाब का फूल भी जब कली की अवस्था में होता है तो उसके ऊपर होता है ये हिबिस्कस फ्लावर है जिसको हम लोग चाइना रोज और उड़हुल का फूल भी कहते हैं. यस
Yes, ma'am.
तो दिस पार्ट प्रोटेक्ट द प्रोटेक्शन इन विच फेज?
Budding phase.
यानी कि कली की अवस्था में ये फूल को प्रोटेक्शन देता है. डन.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द थैलमस. दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड
Thalamus.
दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड
Thalamus.
दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड
Thalamus.
because the various part of flower grow from this part. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what is thalamus? When the various part of flower grow, this place is called thalamus. This place is called
Thalamus.
okay. What is this? This is the leaf stalk. Oh, sorry, this is the flower stalk. This is the
Flower stalk.
we have studied a petiole in flower. Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
we have leaf. We are studying about the petiole in
Leaf.
yes, na.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
called the leaf stalk. But this part is called the flower stalk. This part is called.
Flower stalk.
Are you getting to all?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here also we can see the flower stalk. Look at here. Called the flower stalk. This part is called the.
Flower stalk.
This part is called the.
Flower stalk.
Are you getting to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone problem?
No, ma'am.
Doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Right now I will teach the male and female part of flower. Male and female part of.
Flower.
Male part of flower is known as.
Stamen.
Male part of flower is known as.
Stamen.
What is?
Stamen.
Stamen contain the anther and.
Filament.
Anther and.
Filament.
You will see very carefully. Anther contain the yellow powder-like structure. It is called the pollen grain. It is called the
Pollen grain.
hibiscus flower. We can see easily. इसको उड़हुल के फूल में आसानी से देखा जा सकता है. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the.
Pollen grain.
This is the.
Pollen grain.
This is the.
Pollen grain.
And very fiber-like structure. Very thin fiber-like structure is called the filament. Is called the.
Filament.
Is called the.
Filament.
Is called the.
Filament.
In this flower also we can see the filament and anther. Done. Look at everyone. yellow powder-like structure it contain. It means this is the pollen grain. This is the
Pollen grain.
and this is the thread-like structure. It is called the
Filament.
it is called the
Filament.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Anther contain the
Pollen grain.
anther contain.
Pollen grain.
What is the function of pollen grain? It help in pollination. It help in
Pollination.
it transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. From anther to
Stigma.
it's called
Pollination.
okay. What is the female part of flower is called? Pistilia carpel. Pistilia
Carpel.
it contain the stigma. It contain the it
Stigma.
contain the
Stigma.
style. What is
Style.
and ovary and
Ovary.
ध्यान से देखिए. This is part called ovary. This part is called
Ovary.
this part is called
Ovary.
this part is called
Ovary.
when the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is called
Pollination.
is called
Pollination.
is called
Pollination.
देखो ये क्या है स्टिग्मा है क्या है ये
Stigma.
it's a very sticky part when the pollen grains come it sticks. Are you getting to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And this flower you can see very carefully. This part is called the stigma. This part is called
Stigma.
this part is called
Stigma.
it's called
Stigma.
this part is called the stigma. This part is called
Stigma.
and this green part here is see it's called the style. It's called
Style.
and the lowest gloom part is called the ovary. It's called
Ovary.
done.
Yes,
Anyone doubt?
no, ma'am.
No one doubt, na?
No, ma'am.
Everyone clear?
Yes,
So I will call one by one and you have to identify which part what call. Okay? So Diksha come. This colorful part of flower is called? Speak loudly.
Petal.
Okay, very good. Go. Srishti come. This greeny leafy like structure which protect the flower in budding phase is called?
Sepal.
Sepal. What is called?
Sepal.
Okay, very good. Go. Come, Jolly. Okay. The male part of flower is called
Stamen.
stamen. Okay. This structure which contain the yellow powder-like structure is called,
Anther.
and this thread-like structure which contain the anther.
Filament.
Very good. And these sticky parts there is C-like structure. This part is called what?
And pollen grain.
हाँ ये pollen grain and this part is called the stigma. This part is called
Stigma.
and this part is called
Filament.
this part is called filament. This part is called
Filament.
and this part is called style. This part is called
Style.
and this part is called ovary. This part is called
Ovary.
this part is called
Ovary.
anyone doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. This pollen grain from anther to stigma. This process is called very good. Go. And next Shansla you come. When the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma in the same flower is called which types of pollination? Self-pollination.
Self-pollination.
Which pollination?
Self-pollination.
Everyone know the self-pollination now?
Yes, ma'am.
When the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma to different flower, that types of pollination is called?
Cross-pollination.
Okay. Petal.
Petal.
Yes. What's the color of petal?
White.
Very good. Come Aman Singh. Male part of flower is called?
Stamen.
This is the stamen. This is the
Stamen.
because it contains the yellow powder-like structure. This yellow powder-like structure is called
Pollen grain.
pollen grain. Very good. Chalo, this class is over today. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.